southern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, western Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Tesk, or 12 miles south of Bridgeton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Cape May, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Woodbine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, Newport, Cape May Courthouse, Leesburg, Scotch Bonnet, Denisville, Fort Tesk, Eldora, Port Norris, Dividing Creek, Diamond Beach, Green Creek, Goshen, and Rio Grande. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Cape May, and Cumberland.
You're joking.